In Germany, a biotechnologist is spearheading a groundbreaking project to create the world's first artificial womb facility. Known as Ectolife, this remarkable facility is poised to revolutionize the way we approach conception and childbirth, with an impressive annual capacity to nurture up to 30,000 babies. Ectolife is the culmination of over 5 decades of pioneering scientific research and advancements. The mastermind behind this awe-inspiring endeavor is Hashim Al-Ghaili, a visionary based in Berlin. Al-Ghaili's passion and dedication have fueled the creation of a facility that offers an unprecedented opportunity for infertile couples to experience the joy of becoming biological parents. By allowing them to choose specific characteristics for their baby from a user-friendly menu, Ectolife brings forth a new era of reproductive possibilities, opening doors that were once unimaginable. Through Ectolife, the dreams of countless individuals and couples can now be realized, as they have the chance to conceive and nurture their own biological offspring. This cutting-edge facility represents a remarkable fusion of science, technology, and a profound desire for parenthood, marking a major leap forward in the realm of reproductive medicine. In order to pick your child's traits, you have to opt for the Elite package that allows you to modify the embryo's genetic makeup before placing it in the artificial womb. This package enables you to choose various things such as eye and hair color, strength, height, intelligence, and even prevent inherited genetic diseases. Ectolife, the world's first artificial womb facility, is now introduced, and it operates solely on renewable energy, stated Al-Ghaili, as reported by SWNS. According to the World Health Organization, approximately 300,000 women lose their lives due to complications during pregnancy. The Ectolife artificial womb aims to reduce human suffering and minimize the need for C-sections. With Ectolife, premature births and C-sections will become a thing of the past. According to Hashem, Ectolife has a potential solution for women who had their uterus removed through surgery because of cancer or other issues. It could also be a significant help for countries experiencing a serious decline in population, like Japan, Bulgaria, South Korea, and many more. Hashem is convinced that the technology is already accessible and ready to be utilized, and the only thing standing in the way of turning this concept into reality are ethical considerations. Speaking of ethics, like all new technology, Ectolife has its fair share of critics. But before we get into that, we want to hear from you. What do you think about Ectolife? Would you like to customize your offspring's traits? Let us know in the comments section down below. We can't wait to see what you all have to say. In the meantime, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content like this. Let's get back to the video. As amazing as the technology behind Ectolife may seem, it's certainly not without its naysayers. Several people have raised concerns regarding the morality behind science of this nature. One of the major criticisms of selecting specific traits for babies through technologies like Ectolife revolves around ethical concerns. Critics argue that such technologies could potentially transform children into customizable products, leading to the commodification of human life. Instead of recognizing each child as a unique individual with inherent value, they may be treated as objects designed to meet certain desired characteristics. This ethical criticism raises questions about the moral implications of manipulating the genetic makeup of future generations. It challenges the notion that traits such as eye color, intelligence, or physical abilities should be chosen and controlled by parents, as it challenges the natural course of genetic inheritance. Critics argue that such a mindset reduces the intrinsic worth and diversity of individuals, potentially fostering a society where superficial traits are prioritized over genuine human qualities and contributions. Moreover, concerns are raised regarding the potential consequences of this commodification. Critics worry that treating children as customizable products could lead to a social emphasis on perfection and conformity, creating unrealistic expectations for individuals to meet predetermined standards. This may result in a psychological and emotional consequences for both the children and society at large. There are also concerns that Ectolife and similar reproductive technologies worsen social inequalities. The worry stems from the possibility that only those with financial means will be able to afford and access these advanced technologies, resulting in a significant divide between those who can afford to select desirable traits for their children and those who cannot. The concern over social inequalities arises from the fear that this technology may perpetuate existing disparities and create an even wider gap between socioeconomic classes. People argue that if only the affluent can access and utilize trait selection technologies, it could further reinforce advantages for already privileged individuals and families. This, in turn, can contribute to a society where certain characteristics and advantages are concentrated among the wealthy, while those with limited resources are left at a disadvantage. The potential fallout of this division raises questions about fairness and equal opportunities. Critics argue that the ability to selectively choose traits for children should not be solely determined by financial status, as it could lead to a society where advantages are disproportionately distributed based on wealth rather than merit or genuine human qualities. This concern also extends beyond the immediate impact on individuals and families. It raises broader societal implications, such as the potential reinforcement of existing social hierarchies and the perpetuation of inequalities across generations. Critics emphasize the need for equitable access to reproductive technologies and caution against the creation of a society where certain traits and advantages become the exclusive domain of the privileged few. These are all valid points, but the question remains, is ectolife even possible? Will we really see an uptick of artificial wombs in the future? Keep watching because the answer's coming up soon and you won't believe it. When questioned about the morality behind ectolife and how practical the science really was, Al-Ghaili had this to say. All the features mentioned in the concept are based on scientific principles and have already been achieved by scientists and engineers. The only remaining task is to create a prototype by combining these features into a single device, he explains. The time frame for development depends on ethical guidelines. Currently, research on human embryos is limited to 14 days due to ethical concerns, after which the embryos must be destroyed. If these restrictions are relaxed, it may take 10 to 15 years before ectolife becomes widely used, along with 5 years of public awareness and education to increase acceptance of the technology. The facility consists of 75 well-equipped labs, each capable of accommodating up to 40 growth pods or artificial wombs. Each pod is designed to mimic the conditions inside a mother's uterus precisely. A single building can nurture up to 30,000 lab-grown babies per year. The pods feature a screen that shows real-time data on the baby's development, which also can be accessed through a mobile app. Imagine that. You can literally watch your baby grow right before your very eyes. And as we all know, childbirth can be very risky. The team behind ectolife certainly took that into account when creating these pods. Ectolife provides a germ-free environment for your baby's development. The pods are constructed with materials that prevent germs from adhering to them. Each growth pod includes sensors that can track your baby's vital signs, such as heartbeat and temperature, blood pressure, breathing rate and oxygen levels, says Al-Ghaili. Additionally, the AI-powered system monitors your baby's physical characteristics and alerts you to any potential genetic abnormalities. And in case customizing your child's traits weren't enough, they even enhance early language recognition and word learning. Ectolife growth pods incorporate internal speakers that play a variety of words and music for your baby. Through an app, you can select the playlist for your baby and even sing to them directly to familiarize them with your voice before birth. Our aim is to provide you with an intelligent offspring that truly reflects your wife's decisions, said Hashem. As we mentioned earlier, with the Elite package, you have the opportunity to genetically modify the embryo before implanting it in the artificial womb. If you desire your baby to be exceptional and have a brighter future, our Elite package offers you the chance to genetically alter the embryo prior to implementation, the website explains. Using the CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing tool, you can modify more than 300 genes and customize your baby's eye color, hair color, skin tone, physical strength, height, and intelligence level. It also enables you to rectify any inherited genetic diseases in your family history, ensuring that your baby and their descendants live a healthy and comfortable life, free from genetic disorders. Could this be the key to eradicating congenital diseases for good? Would that have a massive effect on the overall human lifespan? I guess we'll just have to wait and see. You may be wondering how a fetus could possibly live without nutrients from their mother. Well, we have an answer. Each cluster of pods is linked to 2 central bioreactors. The first bioreactor contains essential nutrients and oxygen, which are delivered to your baby through an artificial umbilical cord. This bioreactor also contains a liquid solution that acts as the amniotic fluid surrounding the baby in the mother's womb. It is rich in vital hormones, growth factors, and antibodies that support your baby's growth and development. With the assistance of an AI-controlled system, each baby received customized nutrients tailored to their specific requirements. The second bioreactor is designed to eliminate waste products generated by the babies, which are transported through an artificial umbilical cord. Using a delicate layer of engineered enzymes, the second bioreactor can recycle these waste products and convert them back into useful nutrients. This ensures a constant and sustainable supply of fresh nutrients for your baby. And what happens when it's time to welcome your bundle of joy into the world? No hours of labor, pain, and possible maladies. The baby is born with a simple click of a button. It's that easy. They just drain the amniotic fluid and voila! You have a fully grown human ready to take on the world. Incredible! Experts say this could be a reality as soon as 2028. Keep an eye out for this huge scientific breakthrough. We sure will.